Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Literary figure of speech. Number 1. Simile. A comparison between two nouns with like or is. Example. Simile में हम like और is यूज़ करेंगे. Example is like or is dog, is brave, is like. ये 2 एग्जाम्पल है simile के. इसके बाद हम दूसरे पे आगे मेटाफर. A comparison between two nouns without using like or is. मेटाफर में हम विथआउट लाइक और इज को यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. ही इज़ लाइन. नंबर 2 एग्जांपल में है क्लासरूम इज़ अ जू. नंबर 3 ही इज़ अ नटी ऑयल. यह है मेटाफर के एग्जांपल्स. नंबर 3 पर्सिफिकेशन व्हिच गिव द क्वांटिटीज ऑफ पर्सन टू एन एनिमल्स. Animal and object are an idea. For example, the sun smiled down on us. ये पर्सिफिकेशन के एग्जाम्पल है. उसके बाद नंबर 4 imaginary. Language that appeals to the sense. For example, it was dim and dark in the fact. इसको हम imaginary कहते हैं. नंबर 5 hyperbole. An aggregated statement used to heighten affect. For example, my shoes are killing me. Number 2 example, I am so hungry. I could eat grass. इसको हम hyperbole कहते हैं. Number 6 alteration. The use of the same sound at the beginning of words that are near each other. For example, hate, in a head, feed, made. Number 2 example, Sarah's 7 siblings like to sing. इसको हम कहेंगे alteration. Number 7 onomatopoeias, words that imitate the sounds they describe. For example, buzz, spellish. Buzzes were buzzing. इसको हम कहेंगे omnipotentize. Number 8 oxymoron, when words with opposite meaning are used together. For example, died, ally, I love eating, jump, sharping. ये है एग्जाम्पल ऑक्सीमोरन की. उसके बाद नंबर 9 symbolism, something represent a completely different things or ideas. For example, dove, peace, black, evil, broken, mirror, separation. Number 10th entities, saying the opposite of what you really mean for effort. For example, heads off to you. That is called, इसको कहते हैं entities. Thank you dear friend. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.